You want to change the ringtone on a Samsung phone, so first of all, open up your settings. After that, we gotta find our sound and vibration tab. That's just the second tab, not a big deal, right? After that, we gotta scroll down, or we can use a navigation. So we gotta find our ringtone. Actually, it's quite easy. It's right here. Let's choose it. So we can choose from one of the preset ringtones. There are a lot of them. Go through them and change the one you like, right? Or we can set up our custom one. So press on this plus icon at the top right corner, and here you'll see your tracks, albums, artists, folders, and you can search through them to find the music which is loaded on your phone. So choose the desired song, press done, right? And basically that's it. Now it's set, and we can go back and enjoy our new ringtone. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.